What's up, everybody? Welcome to Building for Bali, episode number 12. Today we're going to do things a little differently in this episode. That is, instead of me doing a project from scratch, from start to finish, I'm actually going to revisit an old project that I started probably 7 or 8 years ago for my house that I just never really got around to completely finishing. Just got tied up with other projects, my other job, production designing, and so these have been sitting partially completed, and today in this episode I finally get to finish them. So what I'm going to be doing in today's episode is actually completing a set of DIY steampunk shelving units that I call the Rosy shelving units, using some copper piping that you can get at any big box store and copper fittings, along with some reclaimed salvage black ash that I got from an old distillery. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. It's really not going to show much of a build aspect, but more of just the refinishing and locking up these pieces. So thank you so much for stopping by. If you like what you're seeing, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. If you got any comments, feel free to leave them below. This item, or these two items, these shelving units, just like everything else you've seen in the other episodes, are available for purchase. So if you are interested, feel free to email me or visit my Instagram and throw me a DM. I hope you guys are doing well, being safe out there with all the crazy times, and I hope to see you all soon. Thanks so much for stopping by. Take care.
you.